Hi, my name is Roger and I'm from Gembird. Do you recognize this product? Yes, this is the WNP-RP300-03 Wi-Fi Repeater. This was released some years ago. And have you seen our newest one? This one. This one is the WNP-RP300. Look how small it is in comparison to this one. It's small and it's super strong. And even better, you can set it up with your smartphone. With Android or iOS, you can set it up. That's awesome. And in this short video, I'm going to show you how to do it yourself. Ready for it? Here we go.